Hello guys, welcome to our new video. I am truly delighted to have this opportunity to speak before you today about a fascinating subject that has transformed the way we approach technology and consumer electronics, the Dell Factory Outlet Store. In the next 30 minutes, we will delve into the history, specific, and impact of this innovative concept introduced by Dell, one of world's leading technology companies. The Dell Factory Outlet Store is more than just a retail concept. It's a paradigm shift in how companies can manage excess inventory centered to reserve customer needs and reduce environment impact. Established by Dell, a pioneer in the personal computer industry, this concept aims to provide consumer with high quality, refused and surplus products at discount prices. History breakdown. In the inception of the Dell factory outlet store can be tracked back in late 1990s when Dell recognized the potential of recycling and reusing electronics. By refurbishing returned products factory second and excess inventory, Dell aimed to tap into a new market segment while also contributing to sustainable business practice. This move not only made sense from a business perspective but also aligned with the growing global awareness of environmental concern. Key feature and benefits. Affordability. One of the most significant advantages of the Dell Factory Outlet Store is that it offers customers access to premium technology at a fraction of the cost. This makes cutting edge device and system more accessible to a wide range of individuals and businesses. Quality assurance. Contrary of misconception, products available at the Dell factory outlet store undergo testing and refurb process. This ensures that customer receive aids that meets stringent quality standard backed by Dell's reputation for eligibility. Sustainability. By refurbishing and reselling products, Dell contributes the reducing electric waste, conserving resource and minimizing the carbon footprint associated that manufacturing new devices. This aligns with Dell's commitment to environmental stewardship. Customization. The Dell Factory Outlet Store often offers a diverse range of products, allowing customers to find configuration that suit their specific needs. This customization aspect is crucial for both individual consumer and business seeking tailored solution. Impact on business and industry. The Dell Factory Outlet Store has a profound impact of the technology industry and business practice as a whole. Market expansion. This concept has expanded Dell customer base by carrying the price-sensitive consumer, student, and small businesses that might not have considered purchasing brand new device. Circular economy efficiency. Dell approach ensure a shift towards a circular economy where products are reused, remanufactured, and recycled. This approach has influenced other companies to adopt similar strategies. Sustainability as a competitive EDGE. Dell's commitment to sustainability through initiatives like the factory outlet has become a significant determinant in the competitive tech market. Consumers increasingly favor environmentally conscious brands, challenges, and future direction. While the Dell Factory Outlet Store has been successful, it also faces challenges. Perception: some customers still associate refurbished products and lower quality despite Dell rigorous testing. Addressing this perception remains a challenge. Evolving technology. As technology rapidly evolves, ensuring that re- refurbished products remain relevant and competitive can be demanding. Balancing demand and supply. Managing the ability of refurbished products can be complex, especially during periods of high demand or constant supply. Looking forward, the Dell Factory Outlet Store concept is likely to evolve further, incorporating advancement in technology, supply chain management, and customer engagement strategies. Consolation. In consolation, the Dell Factory Outlet Store stands as a beacon of innovation, sustainability, and affordability within the technology industry. It not only refers the way we perceive refers product but also refers Dell commitment to responsible business practice and environmental stewardship. As we continue to witness the evolution of the tech landscape, this concept serves as a shining example of how companies can create value for customer while making positive contribution to the world. Thank you for your time, and I am now open to any question you may have. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.